Hello everybody, my name is Chris and I'm 32 years old and I'm decided to start an Amazon FBA business. The reason why I'm doing this is because, like you, if you're watching this, you might be comfortable with where you're at, but you still need more money to do with the things that you want to do. Things like possibly quitting your job to stay at home, or have more money to do more things that you would want to do, say go on vacations or go on a cruise or anything like that. I will be documenting my journey along with this, so look out for videos 2 to 3 times a week, hopefully, so you can see what I'm doing with my FBA business. If you're interested and want to follow my journey, please like and subscribe and share this video. Thank you, and have a great day.